Arirang Special.
Last month, the staff of a hospital in Seoul are waiting for a special guest. He's Alexander from Sakhalin, Russia.
Меня зовут Елена, я переводчик.
The hospital sent a Russian interpreter and a car for the foreign patient, but he has a hard time just sitting in the car. Alexander has come to Korea for spinal disc surgery.
아저씨, 세우면 안 될까요? 가는 중에.
Because of his chronic disc pain, he cannot sit or stand comfortably. He chose Korea as a last-ditch resort. From the moment of his hospitalization, Alexander is accompanied by his Russian-speaking coordinator. Why did he choose Korea to undergo spinal surgery?
А так, Корея самая близкая. Можно было в Китае, но по отзывам близких, родственников, друзей, то, что именно вот клиника Wooridul, она самая такая, ценится в этих вопросах, в этих операциях и без осложнений, без всяких, без проблем.
A few days after his arrival in Korea, Alexander takes tests prior to his surgery.
Наушники одевают, аппарат шумный. Постарайтесь не шевелиться.
The most important part in disc surgery is finding the exact location of the dislocated disc, so accurate tests and diagnosis are crucial. Alexander's condition turns out to be quite serious. If he doesn't receive treatment, very soon he will be unable to stand because of excruciating pain. He chose this hospital because it specializes in spinal disorders and uses state-of-the-art surgical techniques.
So our plan is doing the microscopic discectomy with the laser assistance tomorrow. 이게 단면 사진에서 봤을 때는 요 덩어리인데요. 뒤쪽으로 들어가서요. 현미경 모으면서 들어가서 요 구멍을 만들어서 요 터져 나온 디스크를 레이저로 태우면서 제거하는 방법입니다.
그 환자분이 아파하시는 그 신경 증상이랑 딱 맞습니다, 병이랑. 그래서 이 부분을 제거하면 좋아질 거로 판단이 되고요.
Hospitalized patients are always accompanied by their coordinators.
걱정하지 마세요. 좋아질 겁니다.
Не переживайте, лучше станет.
Надеюсь.
기관지 분비물 없애주는 엉덩이 주사 시원하고
Я нормально себя чувствую, уверенно.
Will this patient get the results he hopes for in Korea? Day 4 in the hospital. Alexander is to undergo his surgery. Alone in Korea, he has no one but the staff to lean on. The team gets busy. They give him anesthesia and prepare the surgical equipment. High-precision surgical instruments are all switched on.
네, 5에서 레프트 시작합니다.
The first step is finding the exact part that must be operated on. Only that area is cut open to remove the lump that's pressing the nerves. First, the area around the spine is x-rayed. Then, using the image, the exact spot is found.
제가 수술 부위에 맞게 들어간 것 같습니다. 이제 수술 진행해도 될 것 같아요.
In minimally invasive spinal surgery, the part that's causing the problem is found using an endoscope. Then, a small incision is made on the skin. Because only a minimal incision is made, there's less hemorrhaging and less damage to muscle or blood vessels. Patients also recover quickly. The surgeon looks through the microscope to approach the spine. This difficult surgery requires advanced equipment and expert techniques. This disc lump was the cause of the pain. It pressed on the nerves, making the patient unable to walk properly. Korea is a world leader in minimally invasive spinal surgery.
한국에서는 이런 미세 침습 척추 수술과 그 중에는 이제 지금 보신 것처럼 현미경 수술도 있고요. 현미경을 이용한 수술도 있고 기타 엑스레이나 뭐 내시경을 이용한 수술도 있고요. 그런 수술의 발전이 다 외국에 비해서 훨씬 더 발전된 걸로 보고되고 있고 실제 케이스가 많고 저희가 학회 발표도 많이 하고 논문도 많이 발표하고 있는 상황입니다.
네, 눈 떠보세요. 예.
Хорошо. Операция все, закончилась вам. Нос вдох, через рот выдох. Глубже дышать, надышать. Вдох, выдох.
The surgery is over. Alexander wakes up and is taken to the recovery room. Because of the small incision and minor damage to his muscles and blood vessels, he'll be able to recover fast.
예, 밑으로
Теперь
밟아보세요.
Астирия толкайте, Астирия.
밑으로 가면 밑으로. 예, 엄지발가락 위로 제껴보시고.
발치, 발치.
예, 위로 위로.
발치,
예,
발치.
발가락 밑으로 밟아보세요.
Астирия. Все хорошо. Все хорошо было. Теперь вам важно это постоянно дышать сегодня. Если хорошо дышать, тогда анестезия быстро исчезает. Понял, да?
The surgery has ended well. In a few days, Alexander's longtime suffering will be over. This is exactly why he chose Korea. A few days after the surgery, Alexander can get up and walk around. Before, he was unable even to sit. A Russian show is shown on TV in Alexander's room. This treat has been specially arranged by the hospital staff. He looks much more comfortable than he did before the surgery. Meanwhile, in the hospital kitchen, the chefs are busy cooking for patients from the Middle East, US, Japan, Russia, all over the world. Unless foreign patients request a specific dish, they are served meals according to their nationality.
처음에 그 외국 분들이 입원하시게 되면요, 입원하시는 당일날부터 이제 그 외국 환자분들이 그 이제 기후가 맞게 따로 저희가 준비를 해드릴 수도 있고요. 또 저희가 또 따로 준비한 이제 메뉴판도 또 저희가 또 이제 비치하고 있습니다.
Many foreign patients who visit Korea to receive health care come alone. That's why hospitals try to maximize their comfort by preparing TV programs and meals that they are familiar with.
Ничего страшного. Для этого.
Alexander seems to like the food. In addition to advanced medical technology, foreign patients also need careful attention.
Okay.
A genuine global care system consists of advanced medical techniques, state-of-the-art equipment, and warm compassion.
Место операции.
операция.
어떠신지?
Как себя чувствуете, спрашиваю?
Хорошо.
좋아요.
수술 전에 있던 증상들은?
Сейчас
Не, это
수술 전
я сейчас спокойно хожу.
다 좋아졌고.
Just a few days after the surgery, Alexander's already walking well. He's recovering fast.
오케이. 좋습니다.
Friendly explanations are also important to foreign patients.
수술 전 후 MRI 비교해서 보여드릴게요.
Сейчас покажем снимки.
이 덩어리
Она разрезе.
네, 신경을 누르고 있었고 수술 후에 찍은 건데요.
Это после операции то, что мы делаем.
사라졌습니다 이게.
Вот здесь то, что остаточно, это потому что...
Ну, это остаточное,
Да,
да?
это остаточное, просто на снимках осталось, а на самом деле грыжи уже нет. Такой
Ну вот поэтому они и дают это самое в ноги это самое.
예전에 계속 오랫동안 눌렸잖아요. 눌린 걸 기억하고 있고 그거에 대한 후유증이 있는데 차차 시간이 지나면서 그거는 좀 해결이 된다고.
Спасибо большое. После операции чувствую себя очень хорошо. Ну, что касается послеоперационного периода. Сняли рецидив, то есть таких болей уже нету. Я спокойно хожу, могу уже сидеть. И в ближайшие дни я уже поеду домой. К домашним, к родным, которые обо мне скучают, беспокоятся о моем здоровье.
Shanghai, in the Yangtze River Delta, is home to many foreign expatriates because of its modern atmosphere. It's also home to a Korean spine hospital. Many patients who come here are Chinese. Spinal disorders have been on the rise in China.
어디가 제일 불편하세요?
腿的小腿，脚腿，是左边是
左边，
小腿的小肚子有点，
小肚子，大脚趾有点保护了，
大拇指有点。
Located in a densely populated area, the hospital has 83 doctors and nurses.
这里就是有点痛，
有点对。
The number of its patients has surged by word of mouth.
因为我是在外面干活，我听到我那同事说，也是听他朋友，我同事的朋友介绍的。他说上海武力德医院那个技术功能比其他医院是很好的。
This hospital has become popular for its testing equipment, medical personnel, and system, all of which were brought from Korea. The hospital was selected as the most well-received spinal hospital on a Chinese health-related website. The Chinese government even chose it as one of the 12 best hospitals in the country.
수술하는 방법이라든지 진료를 보는 방법이라든지 병동 운영, 외래 운영 같은 경우는 똑같이 한국 시스템을 따르고 있습니다.
This hospital, too, performs minimally invasive spinal surgery. It's one of the most advanced surgical methods performed on the spine by far. Chinese doctors visit the hospital to learn.
이 플립은 이쪽으로 들어가요. 이 플립도 뼈를 제거를 안 하고 배를 안 열고 옆으로 들어가서
This ethnic Korean doctor from China, who graduated from a Chinese medical college, applied to this hospital after he learned about the minimally invasive spinal surgery while receiving training in Korea. This hospital acts not only as a medical institution for foreign patients, but also as a publicizer of Korean medical technology.
韩国我立德之后就发现啊，这样的技术应该是真正的一个脊柱外科技术，应该是我学到的这样的一个技术，所以我决心投入到这个我立德医院的这样的一个大家庭里边去学习这样的一个技术，把这些技术引进到中国国内来，然后为我们广大的中国老百姓患有脊柱疾患的这种老百姓创造一些福音。
Korean medical technology has spread quickly in recent years. It all started with medical tourism in Korea and evolved into the development of advanced surgical methods and clinical medicine. Now Korea even exports its medical technology and systems overseas.
이 디스크를 제거한 거예요.
건강이 단 하나뿐이고 하나뿐인 이 인체를 완벽하게 고치는 의료 기술이야말로 의료관광의 핵심이라 말할 수 있습니다.
One week after the surgery, Alexander is ready to return to his home country.
Это кому?
Внуку. Это супруга, это внук.
Вайфу, Сонтик. Присаживайтесь. Это нормально уже сидите? Тяжело? Еще.
Ну, нормально.
Здесь все, какие лекарства написано. Если потом время... Она позвоните нам, если что, вдруг беспокоит.
Ну, через Илону.
Да, через Илону.
갈 준비 다 되셨어요?
Собрались?
Да.
그래요. 잘 가시고 혹시 무슨 일 있으면 이메일 통해서 다 전달해 주시면 그때그때 답변을 드리겠습니다.
Спасибо вам большое.
Пожалуйста.
Низкий вам поклон.
Заберете на память? На память заберете?
Да. Все, свободный, как птица в полете.
Alexander will always remember Korea as a country that helped him regain his health.
Hello.
The day he's discharged from the hospital, another foreign patient arrives.
환자 또 오신 거예요?
예, 이거 미국 분이야. 원래 수술 한 번 받으셨고 두 번 목 허리 다 하셔야 돼갖고 그때 목하고 허리 오는 거.
More and more foreign patients are coming to Korea.
Да туда положи.
Ну, давайте.
Ну ладно. Спасибо вам большое.
Спасибо вам.
Все, будьте счастливы.
They prefer Korea to other industrialized countries because of its leading medical technology. Alexander came to Korea because he had heard about its outstanding spinal surgery, but he will take back home with him the warm hearts of the Korean medical team. This is the true strength of Korea, the medical powerhouse.